Quick Tip Tuesday, guys. So my bike is on the center stand, and I did an oil change before I started riding this one. I don't know that maybe this engine burned some oil, but when you see your oil level getting down to this lower line, definitely low, your upper line's right here, I like to keep it in between the lines, so right about in the middle of the window. So your Quick Tip Tuesday is going to be, make sure you keep an eye on your fuel or your oil level. If you have a center stand, throw your bike on that, let it settle out, and make sure you add oil up into, at least to the middle. You can add it to the top line if you need to. But I didn't know if this engine burned oil. Now it's looking like it might. So it's a pretty easy, quick tip today. Just keep an eye on your engine oil. If you don't have a center stand, most bikes need to be held up level, and your oil will settle pretty quick. But just keep an eye on that oil level because you don't want to damage your engine. So hope you have a great Tuesday. I'll catch you next Tuesday with another quick tip. Have a great day. Subscribe and follow and do what you want to do. I'll catch you later. Thanks, guys. Bye.